Is your Ninja Espresso not brewing properly when you select over ice? If the setting doesn't activate or gives you hot coffee with no adjustments, here's what to check. Step 1. Make sure you've selected the right brew mode. Some models require selecting over ice using the dial or touchscreen, not just pressing start. Rotate or tap until the over ice icon is clearly selected. Step 2. Double-check cup size compatibility. Over ice is designed for smaller, concentrated brews. If the machine thinks your cup is too small or too large, it may default to a different setting. Step 3. Check if water tank is full and properly seated. Low water levels or a misaligned tank can prevent the cycle from starting, even if it looks ready. Step 4. Understand how over ice works. This mode does brew hot, but with a smaller volume and slower flow, so the ice doesn't melt completely. If it's brewing a full cup fast, you might be in classic or rich mode instead. Step 5. Clean and descale if it's stuck on one mode. If over ice won't activate at all, there may be a system glitch. Try a full descale and power reset to restore mode selection. Still not working after all that? It may be a software issue or control board fault. Support link is in the description if you need further help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.